In today's video, I'm going to teach you Squarespace Domains 101. Learn how to connect your domain the right way. First, open your Squarespace dashboard and head into the site you want to connect. From your site settings, look for the option to get a custom domain. This is where you can either buy a new domain through Squarespace or hook up one you already own. Let's start with buying through Squarespace because it's the fastest way to get everything connected. Choose Get a Domain, then search for the name you want. When you see it available, select it to view pricing and options. Add it to your cart, then look for any settings like Auto Renew or Never Expires. Turning on Auto Renew prevents accidental lapses later. Continue to check out and review the order summary carefully. Here, you'll choose the registration term length, confirm domain privacy if it's offered, and make sure your contact details are correct for domain registration. Follow the on-screen prompts, confirm your selections, and complete the purchase. Squarespace will automatically connect the domain to your site, which means you won't have to touch DNS records. After purchase, give it a moment to finalize, and you'll be ready to move on. Now, if you already own a domain elsewhere, go back to the same domain area and choose Use a domain I own. Enter your domain exactly as it appears with your registrar. Squarespace will guide you through connecting it, typically by showing the exact DNS records your registrar needs, like A and C name records. Keep this Squarespace window open while you log into your domain registrar in another tab. Then update the records to match what Squarespace displays. Save your changes at the registrar, return to Squarespace, and use the on-screen verification option. If you're prompted to choose between Connect and Transfer, select Connect if you want to keep billing with your current registrar. Transfer is optional and moves the domain into Squarespace's management later. A quick tip: DNS updates can take time to propagate across the internet, often within a few minutes, but sometimes up to 24 to 48 hours. That's normal. While you wait, make sure your connected domain is set as the primary domain in your Squarespace settings, so visitors always land on the right address. Once your new domain is connected, or your existing one verified,